For years, the families of Abby Williams and Libby German were left wondering if anyone would ever be arrested for the girls' murders. The news that someone was in custody came on October 26, 2022, more than 5.5 years after the bodies of the teens were discovered in the woods of Delphi. And now, for the first time, we are learning what happened in the hours before Richard Allen was placed in handcuffs. In video from 2 interrogations, including one that played out just before Richard Allen's arrest. And thanks for inviting us in. It's now 11 o'clock. Richard Allen, as you know, is being tried for the murders of these 2 teen girls. And today, jurors heard Allen's repeated denials and then testimony about alleged confessions. There is a lot to break down tonight at 11. Our Emily Longnecker was in court today, and she joins us live tonight with the biggest takeaways from Carroll County. Emily?
We heard from Richard Allen today, first in 2 videos of police interrogations before Allen's arrest, and then a prison warden and 8 prison guards testified about what they say Allen said to them. Jurors saw a very different Richard Allen on video from 2 years ago than the man sitting in the courtroom on trial Tuesday. In the first video, a much heavier Richard Allen with a beard remains calm when investigators say they want to search his phone, car, and house. Allen told police, quote, "Your attitude towards me has definitely changed. This feels like you're interrogating me. You've known from the beginning I was out there. I told you that." Then Delphi Police Chief Steve Mullen replied, quote, "We're not mad at you. We're not upset with you. We're just trying to get to the truth." Allen continued to deny involvement and told police, quote, "Arrest me or take me home." A few hours later, investigators served a search warrant on Allen's house. 2 weeks later, Allen continued to maintain his innocence when questioned by State Police Lieutenant Jerry Holman. In that video, the jury saw Allen deny more than a dozen times that he had anything to do with the murders. Lieutenant Holman tells Allen, "This is your opportunity." Richard Allen replies, "Will you please stop giving me opportunities? I didn't kill 2 little girls." Lieutenant Holman, "What did you do?" Richard Allen, "I went for a walk on the trail and went home." The jury also saw Kathy Allen in the interrogation room at one point with her husband, visibly upset. Allen tells his wife, quote, "You know this is something I couldn't do." Kathy Allen asks him, "How did a bullet from your gun get out there?" Allen tells her, "I don't know." When Allen stuck to his story and refused to confess, the exchange with Holman got heated, with Holman telling Allen, quote, "You're guilty, and I'm going to prove it." Soon after, Richard Allen was in handcuffs. Afternoon testimony focused on confessions Allen allegedly made to prison guards who were stationed outside his cell while he was on suicide watch. Former Westville Correctional Facility warden John Gallipo testified Allen sent a request asking to speak to him. Gallipo said the form read, quote, "I'm ready to officially to confess to killing Abby and Libby. I hope I get the opportunity to tell their families I'm sorry." Gallipo also testified that Allen told him he killed the girls with a box cutter that he threw away in a dumpster at CVS. The jury also heard from 8 prison guards who interacted with Allen and wrote down his statements and behavior. Officer John Miller testified Allen told him, quote, "I got what I deserved for what I did, and I hope I burn in hell for what I did." Officer Raymond Smith testified to Allen talking to himself in the middle of the night, saying one time, quote, "Kathy, I did it. I'm guilty. Run, Kathy, run. I did it." The defense pushed back on the testimony, asking the warden and guards about Allen's mental health at the time of the confessions, painting a picture for the jury of conditions inside the maximum security prison that drove Richard Allen to serious mental health problems, including behaviors like drinking out of the toilet in his cell and eating his own feces. So a long day for the jury. Court did not get out until 6:30 tonight. That is the longest we have seen court proceedings go in this trial. No word on what we could hear tomorrow, but we do know at some point the state plans to play those phone calls Allen made from prison to his family, phone calls the state says he confessed in. In Delphi, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.
And be sure to watch our Delphi debrief show that's on WTHR+. This is an in-depth look at this trial. Bob Siegel, Emily Longnecker, both breaking down the major developments from the courtroom every weeknight at 10 o'clock. You can stream the show on demand, in fact, right now over on WTHR+. That's our free streaming app. You can get it on Apple TV, Amazon Fire Stick, and Roku.